Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Max 1 by Nike in the Safari Summit White Phantom colorway. It comes in a red and white Nike box with no extra accessories. A special Safari inspired box would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. It features a mix of light cream and off-white tumbled leather on its upper, with a grey textured Safari print paneling. I love the discreet hit of sky blue on the top eyelets and outsole to add a little bit of pop to the more conservative design. It's a clean shoe for the summer, however I wasn't impressed with the overall quality control of my pair, especially the inconsistent tumbled leather, which makes it hard to justify the £155 retail price, but if you can grab these on a discount, I think these are quite nice. Sizing wise, I stay true to my men's US 10, but be aware these do come in women's sizing. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment Phantom to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. Did you pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.